Arrive in style with this 2006 Toyota 4Runner. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: aluminum wheels, running board side steps, rear-wheel drive, passenger airbag sensor, auxiliary audio input, stability control, keyless entry, climate control, and engine immobilizer. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.